Hey guys, how's it going? I am very excited today. I have got a brand new 2019 A case that is factory sealed. So we're going to do an unboxing. This is the first full case I've ever purchased, so hopefully we'll find a super. I'm going to just kind of move this out of the way and pull them out so I can get a better look at the cars. So first up, got Triceratruck from the Dino Riders series. 1 of 5. New for 2019, so that's a new one. So we got 2 of those. And then we have a Tooligan from Xperia Motors. Best for track. It's got the little wrench on the back. Metal base, plastic body. Next up, we've got a Rip Rod, Hot Wheels Game Over series, 2 of 5. I think this one's all metal. Feels like it. Then we've got a tuned Volkswagen Beetle. Number 4 of 5. Ooh, I like this one. Hot Wheels Flames 5 of 10, the 71 El Camino. Let me just check the focus on this here. There we go, it looks a little better. Sorry about that. I hope I got another one of these, because I know somebody who probably wants one. Next we've got Rise and Climb. It says new for 2018. So this is previously released with the blue color. This is the kind of burnt orange. Hot Wheels 50th anniversary race team. Got 2 of those. Next up we've got the 90 Honda Civic EF 8 out of 10 from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. This one's all metal as well, I believe. Got a good weight to it. And we've got new for 2018 Exotique. This previously came in blue and gold, I believe. So this is 10 out of 10 from the Hot Wheels Exotics. 2 of those. Here we have a custom 77 Dodge van in the Super Chrome series, 4 out of 5. Now we've got the BMW K1300R Hot Wheels motorcycle, 4 out of 5. Not really into the motorcycles since I can't race them, but looks pretty cool. Kids will like that. And from the Hot Wheels Space Series, 1 of 5, we've got Dunosaur. Not too big on the fancy stuff. Here we've got 2 cool combis and a Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. I already had this one. It was this is a leftover from a Q case. I believe these are too. A lot of these might be actually. Including these 2. King Kuda. from the Checkmate series. I already had this one. Now we got two of the Volkswagen Beetles from the Checkmate series in white. And a Bazooka, which is a treasure hunt. That's kind of cool. This is just a regular treasure hunt. And then we've got the 17 Jeep Wrangler from the Baja Blazers, 2 out of 10. And we have the Land Rover Defender Double Cab, 6 out of 10, also Baja Blazer. These were both in the Q case from 2018. This looks like a new one. The Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR from the Speed Graphics, 9 out of 10. Got some nice tampos. Racing stripes. And here we have a new version of the Gazella GT from the X Racers, number 3 of 10. And it looks like it's got an adjustable bumper there. Here we've got Papa Wheelie, Hot Wheels Art Car, 6 of 10. And here we have two of the recolors of the Batman animated series. This is the blue tinted one. These are also in the Q case from 2018. Ooh, like this one. 57 Chevy from the Hot Wheels Flames, 6 out of 10. Nice flames on the hood and the top. Really nice blue. Like that. Hopefully get another one of those. Here we have another speed box. And another Land Rover Defender. Doesn't look like I got a Super in this one. That would be too lucky anyway. Here we have a Batmobile. This is not the treasure hunt. This is a new one. New for 2019. There was a treasure hunt in the Q case, I believe. But this one's got a blue, kind of a, almost a bluish green, kind of like a spectral flame paint. But this is a new casting for the Batmobile. And here we have Diamonds Are Forever, James Bond 007, 71 Mustang Mach 1, Hot Wheels screen time, 4 of 10. Very cool. And this is an interesting one. The Starship Enterprise from Hot Wheels screen time, 6 of 10. I don't think that's going to do very well on the track. Alright, so that was the first half. Usually the Supers are in the top half, but I think it might be possible that they're in the bottom. We shall see. Alright, we got the Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR33, 1 of 5. This was a Q case car as well. And two of the 2017 F-150 Raptors, Ford Raptors, also Q case. Here we've got a Audacious, one of the white pawns from the Checkmate series. Custom 53 Chevy from Flame series, 8 of 10. Also Q case. Here we got Skull Shaker, also Q case. Spear Motors, best for track, 8 of 10. Here we got a Moon Eyes 10 Pro Stock Camaro, Hot Wheels Speed Graphics Series, 5 of 10. This was also in the Q case. And one more of those. Here we've got a new for 2019 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, 4 of 10. Got lots of decals on there. Spare tires in the back. That's pretty cool. And we got 2 Nissan Fairlady 2000s from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, 3 of 10. These were Q case as well. And we've got a Blastus Moto, Hot Wheels Moto. So it's a trike, flames. We might try to run that one down the track. Here we've got another speed box. Actually, I think where's that other van? I shouldn't have gotten 3 of the same car. There's 2 speed boxes. Hold on. My desk is getting a little full here. Oh yeah, that was different. Okay. So the first one we looked at was the custom 77 Dodge van. And then this one, speed box, looks very similar, but it's a fantasy model. Alright, moving along, we've got 2 of the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connects. Hot Wheels Art Cars, 7 of 10. This was a Q case. And here we've got another Unimog. Here we've got Power Rocket from the Super Chromes. Nice shiny gold. Another Gazella GT. Two of the Cruella DeVille cars, the non-Super Treasure Hunt version, from the Q case. And a Baja Hauler. Another Baja Hauler. Here we got 2 recolors of Aristorat. I think these are also Q case. And this one also has a adjustable little scoop. We've got another Skull Shaker. And 2 Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary concept cars from the Hot Wheels race team. Q case also. And we've got Bogzilla. New for 2018. I like this one. The Classic 55 Nomad from the Hot Wheels Flame series. 6 of 10. And another new Batmobile. Just about to the end here. We got 2 of the 70 Camaros from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics set. 7 of 10. Q case as well. And here we have the Volkswagen Golf GTI from the Volkswagen series. So these must be new. This is 5 of 10. And last but not least, 2 new for 2019 Nissan Skyline GTRs. This is 4 out of 5 in the Nissan set. Make sure that's everything. Yep, that is everything in the case. And I do have a case subscription now. So next time the next case comes out, I'll be doing another unboxing then. Make sure and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.